Hello everyone. My name is Steven. The lesson today is about there's and there are. There aren't any cars in the car park.
There are some pillows in the cupboard.
There's a sauna in the spa. Are there any chairs in the garden?
Is there a TV in the bar?
There isn't a table in the bedroom.
There aren't any windows in my room. There are some shops in the hotel. There are some nice t-shirts in the gift shop. Are there any restaurants in the village?
Are there any free tables in the restaurant?
There aren't any lifts. Would you like rooms on the ground floor?
There's a bath in the bathroom. It's very big.
Is there a gym? I want to do some exercise.
There isn't a remote control for the TV. Can you ask reception for one? There are some very ugly pictures in this room.
Is there a meeting room in the hotel?
There are some tables in the garden if you want to eat outside.
There isn't a car park, but we can help you park your car.
Are there any clean towels?
Were you at school yesterday?
James wasn't very well yesterday.
We were on the plane at 4.
Were they in class yesterday?
David wasn't very happy last night.
I was in a meeting until 7 last night.
Was your sister in London last week?
It was a terrible film.
Where were you last night?
I was at work all evening.
No, you weren't. You were with Miriam.
No, I wasn't.
Was Freddie Mercury an actor?
No, he wasn't. He was a singer with Queen.
Were you in Milan yesterday?
No, we weren't. We were in Rome.
Was the book good?
No, it wasn't. It was very slow. Thanks for watching.